Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone and happy 4th of July. Today's video is really more of like a little bit of a food hack. It's not super complicated. 3 ingredients, ice cream sandwiches, sprinkles, and more sprinkles. And it's just a really easy way to add a pop of color to your 4th of July dessert table. So that way you can just, spend more time hanging out with friends, drinking with friends, and less time in the kitchen. And it looks amazing. Let me show you how. So I just start off with my ice cream sandwiches already unwrapped. That way I don't have to waste time. And go ahead and grab some sprinkles. Like I said, there's not much to this recipe, just a really easy way to have a little festive 4th of July ice cream sandwich. And grab a few more. America. You could also roll the ice cream sandwiches in them, but I kind of like the lightly sprinkled look, that's just me. Kind of fun. And just cover the very last side with a little bit more, you guessed it, sprinkles. And once you're all done, just put them back in the freezer until you're ready to serve. Right? Super easy recipe, not too hard. Like I said, 3 ingredients, and it's just fun. It's a fun, festive, easy hack to turn a basic ice cream sandwich into something a little bit more. I hope you have an amazing 4th of July. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if it's your first time watching. And hey, you know what? Drop a comment. I want to hear from you. See you later.